Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Knik-Fairview local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is Badger, Alaska's premier local and long-distance moving company. We are known for offering low-cost, dependable, and expert residential and commercial moving services as well as storage spaces. When hiring someone to help you move locally, make sure to double-check all the details. At Knik-Fairview, Alaska, we aim to prioritize the needs of our customers. A long-distance move is a major undertaking that necessitates extensive planning. 3 Movers Moving Services will assist you in determining the best way to pack and transport your belongings safely. We're here to assist you with every aspect of your move, from sorting through your belongings to assisting with transportation, relocating them, and unloading the truck when it reaches at its final destination. 3 Movers offers the following services: furniture moving, residential moves, same-day moving, movers with a truck, movers and packers, military moving, commercial moves, moving and storage, international moving, local moving, full-service movers, corporate moving, long-distance moving. Why are we the best in the game? Our commitment to excellence is based on our conviction that all our customers should be well served. We are very proud of our interactions with our clients and are always striving to provide the best we can. We can make your journey experience unforgettable together. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.